this. I can't do this. I can't do this. There's 8 bajillion buttons. Is it gonna be these ones? Is it gonna be these ones? I'm not understanding, like... Just can't do this. Excuse me, I'm literally going to Jersey today. It's like sometimes Craigslist sucks ass and you have to go all the way to Jersey, but it's like that's what you just have to do if you want to get like cool shit, you know what I mean? That's clearly broken. Escalator's broken. I had to wait 5 billion years to even get fucking down it, and then it's fucking broken. Like, I just need this to be easy. I don't want to be on here anymore. It's moving and I actually don't want to be on here. I don't want to be on here anymore. I don't want to be on here. I don't want to be on here anymore. I don't want to be on here anymore. When did they take tickets? Because I don't want to hold this all day long. I feel so sick on this train. I feel so sick on this train. I have chills. And it smells foul in here. There's a foulness in the air. Please take me back to Long Island. Please take me back to Long Island. Please take me back to Long Island. Woo! Finally a little daylight around here. Craigslist, ever heard of it? We agreed on Manhattan, and then all of a sudden now it's Jersey. So now, this is what's happening to me. And it's like, that's what it feels like. It's Jersey. Like, seriously. Do you not feel that? You don't feel that at all? Okay. A woman of my nature should never be sitting on a train this long. Ew, ew. It's flat. It's flat. Little green, awesome, cool. Maybe if they could make the rest of this town green like that. Maybe, just maybe, I would be more happy to be around here. I miss Papa's house so much. If only this was Papa's house. Papa.
The next station is Brick Church. Stop at Brick Church. You can exit when you see stairs leading down to the platform. This is Brick.
Hey, Dad. Yeah, I'm like really excited to be back. You know, it's like, am I gonna like meet you at the train or something? It's just kind of weird because it's been so long since I've seen you and Kathy, and you know, after everything happened with Mom, it's been like weird for me. But like, I don't know. I'm just like ready to bury
I'm so sorry, but it's a quiet car.
What are you?
It's a quiet car. I'm sorry to interrupt.
It's a quiet
but
car?
Yeah, like everyone's quiet. There's no phone
It's not a
calls.
quiet car.
It is. Because it's really bothering me.
I don't think
really
it's a
loud in
quiet
my
car.
ear. No, you're talking really loudly in my ear.
Okay. Sorry. I'll call you back right now.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's not a quiet car, ma'am. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna keep talking to my dad. I'll let you.
I think it's a quiet car.
Okay.
And I think your father can wait 40 minutes until his train rides in.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
Because it's really bugging people on the train. And I don't think you know what I'm going through, but I just can't quite listen. I can't fathom
Okay,
listening
I don't
to your
know who you are.
conversation.
Can you just like let me talk to my
I don't know
dad?
who you are. I'm your dad.
Why are you being so
Why
rude
are
to
you
me?
so rude to me?
That's not how I sound. That's not how I sound. I did not move to this city to be. Okay, whoa, stop, whoa.
I was just locked in the bathroom for 15 minutes. I'm sorry to bother you, but it was just really scary and I need to tell someone. I was in there in pain. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. And I was so shaky and there's no seatbelt. I was getting hot and nervous and panicking. There should be a panic button in there, actually. And there was no attendant to check. No one in the line wanted to maybe knock on the door and see if I was okay. Everyone just let me rot. It's in there, rot. I felt like I was rotting. And I'm sorry to bother you, I really am. But it's like I have to go all the way to Jersey, and then on top of it, I get stuck in the bathroom for 15 minutes and I have to think I might die. It's really scary. It's really scary. Girl to girl, I got locked in there. And I think it's from the outside too. I think someone's locked me from the outside. Actually, because the way it wasn't opening, like there's no way. I think someone locked me in there for 15 minutes. And it was my persistency that got me out. If I just, whatever, I would have been there for 30, 40, an hour, missed my stop. Been all the way to fucking Ohio. If I didn't fight for it. And so that's why I'm just telling you. Because I want you to be safe. It's scary. Foul. What is this place?
Shall we? Look, if you don't want to leave, that's okay. Look, if you don't want to go, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
I hate that. That's disgusting. That looks nothing like what it was on the ad.
That's what you asked for. This is what you agreed
No.
upon. This is what you agreed upon.
No,
Agreed
it's
to pick up.
fraudulent. That's fraud. This
No.
is a farce. This is Craigslist reportable. I have to report you. There's no way that's real. Hell no.
You can't
Hell
report
no.
me. You can't report me. You can't do that.
It looks nothing like the picture.
Victor, There's no picture on the listing.
Yes, there is.
I had a beautiful
Look at this.
description. I wrote
Look
a
at
beautiful
this.
story about Mr. Twizzler, but I didn't write a picture.
What is this? This looks nothing like it. These are two different creatures.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I drew it.
You're telling me you drew that? By
Yeah,
yourself?
I drew it. Like, I'm a drawer. Like, I don't know. Okay, and I play guitar a little bit too. Like, it's like not a big, like it's whatever.
You draw and play guitar?
Yeah, I draw and play guitar a little bit. Why does it matter?
I don't know. It's like, I don't know. It's a little bit crazy because I draw and play guitar too.
Okay, cool. That's okay.
I just like,
Yay.
I don't really meet girls who draw and play guitar all the time.
Okay, me neither. I haven't met someone who draws and plays guitar either, and that's kind of whatever. It's like,
It's just kind of rare. Like, you don't really find that every day.
yeah, I guess you're kind of right with that. I don't know.
I just mean, it's not every day you stumble across a beautiful drawer and guitar player, and honestly, you
Yeah,
just
that's
have
true. No. No, I can't just like have it. Like you're handing out like free compliments and a free pick. I can't have you leave it. Like
Whatever.
I can't have you leaving empty-handed.
It. No, girl draw to girl draw, just have it.
No. I gotta give you that. You want a picture too? Some remember him by? I'm just playing. Here you go. Ah,
This is really good.
thanks.
Are you like going straight home after this?
I'm not in a rush. I don't know. Like I don't know what you mean by that. Like
Maybe I could like, we could go like a diner and like, I could pick your brain.
This train, she's bound for glory. Well, this train, she's bound for glory. Well, this train, she's bound for glory. Well, this train, she's bound for glory. If you wanna get to heaven, well, you've got